Dessythedarling. Today I'm gonna make another video about teaching in the US. I'm just gonna go straight to the point. Um, so if you have been looking for a way to teach in the US, if you are a teacher, either in Ghana, in Nigeria, in the Philippines, in Colombia or Mexico, wherever you are, you may be qualified to teach in the US if you have the following. So let's go through and see how it's done. First things first, you just wanna go to Google, right? You just put this music down. Make sure. Okay. So here we just wanna go here.
Just follow. Make sure you do the right thing.
Visa.
That's tier one visa for teachers. When you just start doing it, to pop up. Choose the first one on top there.
Teacher, Bridge USA program. So you wanna go right there. Okay. I've done this video already, but I think the first one wasn't so good, and I still have some questions that need to be answered.
Yeah, I mean, you have some questions that need to be answered, not me, just to be sure, just to make things clear, eh?
Yeah. Some of the things people ask
I mean, you're the one watching. I mean,
how are the interviews like? Okay, what sort of questions they ask you? So there isn't a very direct response to that question because all the sponsors have their own questions to ask you. So
so you cannot predict. Yeah, that's just basically what it means. You can't predict what questions they're going to ask you. Yeah, so just prepare for anything.
So let's go ahead and check out some of the sponsors. So the sponsors, alright, they are those who will more like prepare your documents so you can go for your visa, and they will also find schools for you, okay, to teach in, so you don't have to go around looking for schools.
I mean, they make it easy actually, because it can be difficult going online looking for schools for yourself, alright? So when you have these sponsors working for you, it's actually good, and you don't even have to pay them to do it. Just make sure you're qualified. Yeah, so check the qualifications of the teachers that they want, and then so the qualifications are here on the screen for you to see. Oh yeah, just on the right side, the second arrow.
Okay, that's the second arrow on the right side.
I just said it.
Click on that, and then it brings us here. You can just select.
And there are a lot of them. They are a lot. They're just, in fact, there are 65 at the moment, so it gives you a lot of options.
I'm more familiar with the teacher program, so let's tap on that one. Okay, so here we have some sponsors. So again, these ones, okay, they work with the schools here in the US. So what you would do is that you just go to them and say, hey, I want to participate in the J1 visa program for teachers.
Give me a second.
So you just apply that, then they will call you for an interview.
Yeah.
If you pass the interview, then they will put you on the list.
That's if you pass.
Teachers who are eligible to teach in the US, and then the schools will go through the list and select their own candidates or teachers. So the sponsors, they don't really have a lot of control as to whether this teacher should be selected or not. They will just interview you, make sure you're qualified, and so it's up to the schools to make their own final decision. That's just what I know, and I hope it's right. Okay, so let's start with the first one and see. We have Alliance Abroad.
Alliance Abroad. I think they're in Austin.
Opening background.
Oh, some also in San Diego. Right?
Give me a second.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, okay, so we're just gonna check this one out. Alliance Abroad. So we wanna know how to apply here. You might just wanna go to get started. That's just on the top right corner. Top right. You just click that. You fill this form. Alright, just fill this very short form and very small. Select your age range, your country. So yeah, you just want to say you have.
You choose the second one. You have already graduated college.
And if you have a master's degree or a bachelor's degree, choose one if you have a PhD. But I'm I'm guessing most of you guys have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, so you choose one. And so for this program, you will need at least 2 years. So if you choose this one,
as in 2 years of work experience as a teacher, full-time teacher.
So if you have only 1 year of experience, you might just want to do some more years before you come back.
I mean, if you have only 1 year of teaching experience, you're not qualified.
Or if you have 2 or more years, you want to select this one. 4 or more, you just go here, depends, right? Where do you want to go? You want to go to the US, you click that one, and then you choose
You should choose, wait, I think if you should check it out, your program, check it again. If you see teach over there, choose that one. Just click these ones and go for it. Make sure you read the stuff.
Make sure you fill out these ones.
Fill out the form.
Your telephone number, your email, so when it's time,
That's right.
just get back to you. Let me go back. Let's check out some more sponsors. So these are the sponsors we have here. If you go down, you will see that they're showing 1 out of 40 of a total of 65 sponsors. So we have 65 sponsors now, so that gives you a lot of chance, okay? So let's say you apply here at, let's say TPG, for instance. You can just go to TPG. It gives you, some stuff you need to know. For teachers, that's what you want to click on, and then you go apply now. Okay. So TPG does not charge any fees for sponsorship. It does not work with any third parties who charge fees to prospective exchange visitors. So
Oh, before I forget, I gotta tell you guys that I lost my voice. I don't know what happened this evening. My voice got deepened for no reason. I don't know. I had to take some water and a drink, soda. Still, nothing's happening. Forget it.
Degree certificate should be ready. Your appointment letters. So credential letters as well. For the credential evaluation, you can do that. So we can talk about this later. You can just look it up about credential evaluation stuff. You can just submit the form here then. We want to go back here. Again. So yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. You can just shoot me any questions you have, and I'll endeavor to answer them if I have the answers to them. I guess I'll have to leave my contact details in the description section of the YouTube video stuff, and you can just get to me. If I don't leave it there, you can just leave a comment below, so we can talk more about the program. I mean, give you some information that I have about it. Sure. Green Heart Exchange.
Okay. How do you apply? You can apply by, let me just go up and see what's happening there. Okay. Professional exchange. Let me teach in a US school. That's what you want to do, right? You want to do that. So you get started by filling out a form. You want to go full program, right? So full program. And then
full program, don't forget.
Applying for, you want to choose the 2023, 2024. If you are in 2022 at the moment, if you are in 2023 as you watch this, and it's somewhere October, November, December, then it means that the school year has already started, and so you might want to go for this one, okay? But if you are in 2022 at the moment, then you might want to go for this one. But if you're in 2023 and it's around, let's say, January, February, March, April, May, June, thereabout, you may want to continue with this one, okay? But if it's about July, August, September, then we have already started school, so you might just want to go for this one, and then I don't know, depends. So what you refer to, like, you were not referred by any stuff. You go to next. These are just pretty simple stuff.
Yeah,
nothing to worry about.
Very simple.
So if you're in Ghana, they're asking for pre-K, elementary, middle school, and high school. Those of you who are not used to the U.S. system of education, pre-K means pre-kindergarten, and that has to do with, I guess, crèche, nursery, and all those, small kids. There's also elementary. Okay, I guess it starts from grade 1 through grade 5. Yeah, and then yeah, I guess so. And middle school is around grade 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Elementary is like primary school in Ghana. Middle school is like this is elementary. Middle school is like JHS, like junior high school. And high school is like senior high school. So it starts from grade 9, 10, 11, 12. Subject you intend to teach. So you can just choose one of these. If the subject you teach is not there, you can just go other. Then you specify. If you are a language teacher, okay, I guess they have English here. If you teach a foreign language like Spanish or French or German or Chinese, you want to go for world languages, then you submit it. Make sure you fill out everything correctly before you submit. Yeah, so we're back here, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so
Thanks for your time. As always, you're welcome. I just, in case you're thanking me,
agencies
just
of
let me
development,
tell you that you're welcome in advance.
you cannot use, for example, you cannot say that because these people are asking these questions, it's automatic that the others are going to ask the same thing. No, right? There may be some similar questions, but yeah, not the same. Just so you know. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can just check the description page, description section. I have my contact details there. You can let me know. I'll give you some more information, and then you can stay in touch. All the best with that.